Probability practice exercises number 9. Compute the probability of tossing a 6-sided die and getting an even number. Well, there are 6 sides to the die, and even numbers are 2, 4, and 6, so those are 3 possibilities, so that would be 1/2. 10. Compute the probability of tossing a 6-sided die and getting a number less than 3. There's still 6 sides to the die. Number less than 3 would be 1 or a 2, so that's 2 choices there, and that reduces to 1/3. 11. If you pick one card at random from a standard deck of cards, what's the probability that'll be a king? Well, there are 52 cards in a deck of cards, and 4 of them are kings. So let's reduce that to 1/13. Number 12. If you pick one card at random from a standard deck of cards, what's the probability that will be a diamond? Well, again, there are 52 cards. 13 of them are diamonds, and so that will reduce to 1/4. 13. Compute the probability of rolling a 12-sided die and getting a number other than 8. So we're looking for not 8. Okay, well, there's a couple of ways that we could do this. We know a certain probability of something happening is 1, and we don't care what it is, we just want it to be not 8. Well, how many 8s are there in a 12-sided die? Just 1 out of 12. And so that can give us 11/12. Or you could figure out that there are 11 sides that don't have an 8 on it, and that will work too. 11 out of 12. 14. If you pick one card at random from a standard deck of cards, what is the probability that it is not the ace of spades? Okay, same idea. There's a couple of ways we could go about this. There's one ace of spades in a deck of cards. So we could say 1 minus 1 out of 52. You understand that gives us 51 out of 52. Or, quite frankly, that's kind of a common sense problem just like the other. You could just say, well, how many cards aren't ace of spades? 51 of them, and then just go from there.